All right, teachers, you've created your assignments in your modules. Your students have completed the assignments, and now you are ready to grade and pass those assignments back. So with your assignments, again, please make sure that you have it set up correctly. You have an assignment name. You have it set to 100 points. You've chosen which group it needs to go into of the 3 options. Remember, if you are copying work from your sandboxes, when you move it up to your actual published classes, they automatically get thrown into this imported assignments category. If they are left here, they will not sync to Infinite Campus. It has to be into one of the 3 main categories. Choose your submission type. Make sure that you check the little box, sync to Infinite Campus, and it has a due date. Once you have those 3 things done, you are ready to sync. You have your assignments. Your students have finished said assignment. You have possibly used Speed Grader for said assignment to put in. So remember, Speed Grader's in the right-hand corner. I can go through and I can click a student's name and just kind of go down and grade quickly and efficiently. So now those grades are in my grade book, and they are posted there. If you have nightly sync set up, it's going to automatically do it every night. If you're going to manually sync, I'm going to click on sync up here, sync to SIS. You can see for me, the due dates are there. This is the last sync. If you don't have that happening, go ahead and hit post grades, and they should sync to Infinite Campus. If you're wanting to set up the nightly sync, so you're not having to think about it, go to Grade Sync on the left-hand side, select Grade Sync, click on Utilities, and then you can toggle that nightly sync, and it needs to be green, but that represents turn on. If for some reason your grades are not syncing, you can always do a remaster, and it's going to grab all those assignments again, and you can select remaster. But I currently have a sync already happening. If for some reason you do that and your grades are not syncing over to Infinite Campus, 2 things to check. 1, make sure that you've done all that syncing to SIS on the actual assignment page. Also check, click on assignments. In this right-hand corner with these 3 dots next to assignment, if you select that, and you choose the sync SIS categories. Now mine are uncategorized and my grades are syncing. So for some, it's not. So I would suggest trying this. For majors, you want to sync it to a major. For minors, you can switch it to minors. And practice, you switch to practice. And then hit sync categories, and that may also solve your grade passback errors. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. So check for that. The other suggestion that I would say to check for is on your Infinite Campus page. Go to Infinite Campus, go on the left-hand side down to your grade book, go to your class. In this left-hand settings, make sure that you have your 3 main categories here. Close that out. And then the last option in the gradebook setup, click on non-campus assignment details. Make sure that these are not empty. Choose, leave the category there, but choose your bottom option, which is semester 1 average, and go ahead and hit save. Then jump back to your gradebook and go ahead and try to do a manual sync again to see if that assignment will now go back over to Infinite Campus. Last final reminder, please make sure that you're not putting grades manually into Infinite Campus. You must put the grade in Canvas, and then it syncs back to Infinite Campus. So please don't manually put a grade in Infinite Campus. You will mess up the Passback and your grade book. If none of this is working and your grades are not passing back, by all means come see me. Thanks, guys.